So listen here. The Newton's second law is force is directly proportional to rate of change of momentum. So first is momentum. You already studied in the 9th physics what is momentum. P is the symbol for momentum. Momentum equal to mass into velocity. That is called as momentum. So Newton's second law is force is directly proportional to rate of change of momentum. Rate of change of momentum. Mass into velocity is momentum. Force equal to rate of change of momentum. Do not write now, just listen. I am just providing time to write. So, first one, what is this change of momentum? Change of momentum means P equal to mv minus mu. What is this? Mass, final velocity. So mass into final velocity, that is the final momentum, minus mass into initial velocity, that is the initial momentum. So change in momentum means final momentum minus initial momentum. अभी समझ गया? Then one more word is here, that is rate of. अभी क्या मिला? Change of momentum मिला. One more word is there, that is rate of. Anywhere you can to see the rate of. The meaning is that that term is divided by t. The term is divided by t. That means mv minus mu divided by t. This is called as rate of change of momentum. I hope you can understand it. Okay. So what is our term? The force is directly proportional to rate of change of momentum. That's the reason F equal to mv minus mu divided by t. Clear everyone? So we already know mass is a constant at everywhere. Mass constant है ना? Mass means mass of the object. Mass of the object is always constant. Example. Now I am in Chhattisgarh. Maybe I am just going to America or England. मेरा mass change हो जाएगा? नहीं. Mass is always constant. So that's the reason I am taking the mass in outside, because mass constant when balance is v minus u by t. What is this v minus u by t? Change in moment, change in velocity divided by time. We already studied what is change in velocity? Acceleration. Am I right? Change in velocity. Change in velocity divided by time. That is called as acceleration. What is the unit of acceleration? Velocity का unit क्या है? Meter per second. Time का second. So meter per second square is the unit of acceleration. Clear everyone? So acceleration is change in velocity divided by time. That means a equal to v minus u by t. So we have to replace here f equal to m. Very good. F equal to m. This is called as Newton's second law. Clear everyone? अभी समझ गया? So first law is clear. Second law is also clear. Then third law, very familiar to you. Every action there is a equal and opposite reaction. So I hope you can understand this. Next is, listen here. What are the different types of units in the case of force? Force का unit क्या क्या है? Listen here. Force. First type of unit is called as SI system of unit. What is the explanation of SI? SI का full form क्या है? System of international. Very good. So SI system of units in the case of force, that is force का SI unit. Very good. Newton. कितना छोटा क्लास से हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं. Force का SI unit is Newton. What is the speciality of this SI unit? Internationally accepted है. समझ गया ना? Internationally accepted है. Meaning is that इंडिया में 5 न्यूटन का मतलब क्या है? सही में अमेरिका जाते हैं तो भी, जापान जाते हैं तो भी, है ना? Everywhere Newton is accepted. So 1 Newton in India, that is same equal to whenever you go to America 1 Newton मतलब 1 Newton है. समझ गया? इंटरनेशनली अलाउड है. अनदर यूनिट सिस्टम है CGS यूनिट. CGS. What is the meaning of the CGS? Centimeter gram second system. This CGS system is also known as Gaussian system. क्या बोलेगा? Gaussian system. Okay. This CGS system, the force unit is dyne. The force unit in the CGS system is dyne. D-Y-N-E, dyne. Symbol is D-Y-N. समझ गए सबको? Symbol क्या है? D-Y-N. All are in the small letter. Okay. D-Y-N-E, dyne. Otherwise symbol is D-Y-N. How it will be coming? Listen here. In Newton we should write meter, mass, length and time. Mass in kilogram, length in meter, time in second. This is the SI system. Okay. In the CGS system, mass, length and time. Mass in gram, length in centimeter, time in seconds. Okay. So how to convert this one into CGS system? How many grams in 1 kilogram में कितना ग्राम है? 1000 ग्राम है. So 10 raised to 3. So first is 10 raised to 3 into. How to convert centimeter to meter? 10 raised to 2. That means 10 raised to 3 into 10 raised to 2. What is the answer? 10 raised to 5. That meaning is that 1 Newton equal to 10 raised to 5 dyne. अभी clear होगा? So which unit is the larger one? Automatically Newton is the larger unit. Clear everyone? So first two units are completed. SI system of unit, force unit is Newton. CGS system of unit, force unit is dyne. बोलो ना मेरे साथ, dyne. आप लोग 11th में तो कुछ नहीं बोलेगा, इस टाइप से कुछ है क्या? नहीं है ना? The studies are going on in 3 different ways. First is you can to see something in your board, you can to study. Second one, you can to hear it, it will be get it. Third one, you should write, you should get it. So this is the 3 different way you can write. मेरे साथ बोलते हैं तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, पूरा अल्लाह मत करने का नहीं बोल, अल्लाह करने का नहीं बोल रहे, but you just use your tips to tell, automatically it will be by heart. Okay. So the CGS unit is dyne, sound ज़्यादा नहीं करना. SI unit is Newton. Third system of unit is absolute system. Okay. This SI and CGS combinedly is called as absolute system. ठीक है ना? So first type of unit is absolute system. The absolute system have 2 components, SI and CGS. Okay? Board हो गया. That's why cross the video please. Stop.